Hi there, it's Sylvie again. Now, one of the questions that I'm asked over and over is, how do I choose the correct foundation colour for my skin? And how do I know what's the right foundation for my skin type? So on our website, Scout Active Beauty, we have a foundation selector on there. So that will actually tell you, it'll suggest the correct foundation type to use, and it'll let you know what colour is suitable for your skin tone as well. However, if you are in a store and you need to choose your own foundation colour, I'm going to show you that now. So what I like to do is I like to choose two foundation colours. I have a camel here and I have almond here. Now, what I'm going to do is just put a little squirt of each of them on my hand. And then if I'm in a store, I will just put a little swipe there and a little swipe there. And you can see already that, see, that one is just too dark for my skin. It doesn't match my skin at all. But this one, if I'm to blend it in, it actually vanishes into my skin, okay? But this one, if I'm to blend it in, doesn't really do that. It's too dark. So what you should do is, when you've got those two stripes on, if you've got a friend with you, that's great, and they can really help you with that. But if you've got good daylight sun, that you can have a look at it, because that'll give you the really true version of what the colour will do to your skin as well, and that will help you choose the correct colour. So camel happens to be my colour. Now, for foundation type, look, I like to say to people, it's really a preference. Some people just love using a liquid or a fluid, and some people want a bit more nourishment and a bit more coverage, and that you're going to get that with a cream. Although keep in mind that fluids, you can build up the layers with that as well. Powders, again, that's a personal choice as well, but I do recommend powders for anyone with any sort of if they've got any rosacea or eczema or acne, anyone with a perfect skin as well, it works wonders for. But as you will see in one of my other videos that I'm going to do, I use it a lot over the top of the fluid or the cream. The loose powder is absolutely sensational for that, and absolutely any age can use that. It will not accentuate wrinkles at all. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful for you. Please take a look at our foundation selector. It is a really helpful tool on our website. Thanks.